Welcome to Accessing Product Support Online Training Tutorial. You can access all the Daktronics support materials on Daktronics.com by clicking the support link on the top of the page. This takes you to the Customer Support landing page, which is a portal to our resources. From the landing page, there are three main ways to access resources. With the guided experience, Daktronics helps you find supporting resources based on what customer type you are. As an example, as a business and community customer, you will be directed to the business and community landing page. Support materials on this page are narrowed down to products relevant to this business type. You may narrow your search further by selecting the display type. As an example, if you are looking for support on the animated message display, click on it. This page displays resources relevant to this system type. You can find help on operating My System. This depends upon what software you are using to operate the display. Common resources for fixing an issue. These are common knowledge-based articles featured for this type of product. If you are not finding your specific solution, you can click on Search for the entire knowledge base. Next is Maintaining My Display. You can access maintenance checklists specific to this display type and popular maintenance resources and links to our video library. Those are the main sections on this page. If you know the name of the product series you are looking for, you may select your product type from the drop-down menu on the bottom of the page. Let's go back to the support landing page. The second path to find product knowledge is by selecting your display series in the product drop-down at the bottom of the page. Start typing your product name or select it from the drop-down list. For example, if you know that you need help with the AF3500 Galaxy display, just select it, and that will take you directly to the AF3500 product page. Notice there are drop-downs for Fixing an Issue, Maintaining My Display, Operating My Display, and Installing My Display. With the product type narrowed down, you can open the product manuals and drawings which are specific to the AF3500 product. Again, let's go back to the support landing page and take a look at the third path to access knowledge. If you know what type of resource you need or prefer, you may directly access our knowledge repositories. You may access the knowledge base, manuals and guides, and videos. Training resources and My Support Customer Portal is not covered in this video. For the sports customer, in addition to the three main paths of accessing product knowledge, let's take a look at the sports landing page. In addition to being able to select your system by type and family, there is also a convenient way of selecting by sport type. Let's pick football. The football support page features common controls, displays, and relevant product resources under the drop-down menu. In addition, you may also find additional products which are sports specific. Finally, let's go back to the support landing page. By scrolling down to the bottom of the support landing page, you can find Daktronics Legacy Products Library. These are products Daktronics no longer produce or fully support, but we still offer the product manuals.
Now that you've seen the knowledge available online and how to access it, be sure to share and use these resources to further assist you in the future.